Did you roll out your pastry? Oh, what are you doing now? What are you doing now?
A bear.
A star and a teddy bear. Let's have a look. So what have you done?
Yeah.
Star and a teddy bear. What's this one here? What's this one? What's this one? Oh, another star. Oh, lovely. Oh, we did it over each other. Oh, what are you doing now? A head print. You got hats. A star and a teddy bear hat. So what's this pastry here? Oh, there's a star. Did you get 2 stars? What are you going to do now with the stars? Blue pastry. Teddy. A teddy? Teddy and stars. Oh, you're going to put them in the oven? You're going to put them in the oven? Oh, got to be careful because it's hot. Oh, it's hot in the oven. Oh, we're putting all the pastry in. Oh, all the pastry in the oven. Now what do we do? Close the oven up. You're going to put the oven on?
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy puts the oven on. Okay, it's cooking in the oven. Oh, you meant to open it before the oven finishes? Okay, get the pastry out. Get the pastry out. Has it been cooked? Oh, it's on your head. Why is it on your head? Is it a hat pastry? Oh no. Have you got a hat pastry? Or a pastry hat? Oh no. A Play-Doh hat.